I know you must honor me. Is this a chicken? Is this a chicken? It got dreadlocks? Bro, is that a chicken with dreadlocks? Please tell me. Is it looking at me? Hey, friend. Oh my, y'all, we is at a QT on Forest Lane in Dallas, in the hood. I like your hair. Look, it's responding. I like your hair. Just don't come over here because I'm low-key scared of you. Yo, what is a chicken doing in the hood in North Dallas? I'm surprised ain't nobody fried you up yet over here. They probably got EBT, so they good. But what in the world is you doing at the gas? What you doing at the QT, sis?
There's a whole turkey sitting on the side of the road. Why is there a turkey here in Detroit?